Hello friends, in this video I am going to give you a solution of a error. Generally what happen when you do programming in Python and whenever you are going to take example of some decimal number or we are getting decimal number, so that time we generally get a error. Firstly let me show you the error, then we can discuss how we can solve this program. So here you can see I have written a code and integer I have passed and I am doing here if and else. So here I am comparing average value, if that value is less than or equal to greater than or equal to 80 and less than 19. So that should print grade B, in same case other. But what happened when I run this program? Okay, let me save and here just I am giving some value. Okay, so here we can see, you can see we are getting a error, unsupported operand type for this integer and float. So basically first thing is just notice first thing, here we have chosen integer and if we are going to get average, so maybe in some cases we can get average in form of decimal. Suppose I have taken number something suppose my output is a even number. So definitely if you are going to divide from the 5, we are going to get that number in a decimal form. In that case integer will not work because you have taken float. Okay. Float number can be work in integer as well as float, means decimal number, but if you have chosen integer, that is not going to work in a case of a float number, maybe that generate error. But here what happen, just look at this operand, we are getting issue due to operand. Then what we have to do, basically this is going to perform operation you can say bitwise. So in this case, in the place of this operand we have to use and this I think you have little bit idea about digital electronics. So there is a and or not. So basically this is going to perform and operation, not what we have mentioned earlier. So you have to use and now just make save it and now run the program again. Okay, so here sorry, I have given some number, same number. So here you can see the output, we are not getting error. So that's error only we are getting due to this operand. So whenever you are going to write this type of program, to please mention A and D instead of that symbol. So thank you for watching this video. Thank you.